What if I told you the device in your pocket is more powerful than the computers that sent humans to the moon? That's the power of the modern smartphone. A tool so common, we often forget just how advanced it really is. Welcome to Unravel, Technology and Innovation. On this channel, we break down the technology shaping our world, so you can understand how it works, no matter your background. Today, we're exploring the smartphone, what it is, how it works, and why it's one of the most important inventions of the 21st century. A smartphone is more than just a phone. It's a handheld computer that combines communication computing and entertainment into one portable device. At its core, a smartphone includes a powerful CPU and GPU, like a mini computer, RAM and storage for memory and data, a touchscreen display for input and output, cameras for capturing photos and video, wireless connectivity, cellular, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and more. An operating system like Android or iOS to run apps. It's essentially a computer, camera, music player, TV, GPS, and communication hub, all in one. A smartphone works by integrating hardware plus software into a compact device. The CPU and GPU handle apps, games, and processing. RAM keeps active tasks running smoothly. Storage holds your files, apps, and operating system. The battery powers everything, with advanced power management to maximize life. Sensors, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, fingerprint scanner, enable smart features. Cameras combine hardware and AI-driven software to produce high-quality photos. All of this is coordinated by the operating system, which acts as the brain controlling apps and communication. At its heart, a smartphone is still a communication device. Cellular networks, 3G, 4G, 5G. Let you call, text, and access the internet anywhere. Wi-Fi connects to local networks for faster data. Bluetooth links your phone to headphones, cars, wearables, and other devices. GPS enables navigation, location tracking, and location-based apps. NFC supports mobile payments and close-range transfers. These features make smartphones the center of your digital life. Always connected, always accessible. One of the biggest drivers of smartphone evolution is the camera. What began as basic snapshots is now advanced photography. Multi-lens setups, wide, telephoto, ultra-wide, night mode, portrait mode, AI enhancement, 4K, and even 8K video recording computational photography that processes images instantly. For many people, their smartphone is their main camera, replacing point-and-shoots and even DSLRs in daily life. So what makes a smartphone different from a laptop or desktop? Size and portability, pocket-sized but powerful. Touchscreen interface, no keyboard needed, everything through touch. Mobile OS, streamlined app-based environment. Battery-powered, designed for all-day wireless use. Always connected, cellular plus Wi-Fi means constant internet access. It's a computer designed for mobility and convenience. Early 2000s. BlackBerry and Palm devices introduced email plus basic apps. 2007. The iPhone revolutionized design with a full touchscreen. 2010s. Android and iOS took over, with app stores fueling innovation. Today, smartphones are AI-powered hubs, integrating with smart homes, wearables, and cloud computing. Smartphones aren't just gadgets. They've reshaped society. Communication, instant global connection. Information access, the internet in your pocket. Productivity, work, meetings, documents, all mobile. Entertainment, music, video, games, streaming. Commerce, mobile payments, online shopping, digital wallets. Social impact, social media, news, education, and even activism. For billions of people, the smartphone is their primary computer. Of course, smartphones aren't perfect. They come with their own limitations and challenges. Battery life, constant demand drains power. Cost, high-end devices can be as expensive as laptops. Privacy and security. Phones track location, data, and personal habits. E-waste. Rapid upgrades create environmental challenges. Addiction. Constant notifications and screen time impact mental health. So where are smartphones headed next? Foldable and flexible displays for new designs. More powerful AI integration for personalization. Better AR/VR capabilities using phone sensors. Satellite connectivity for remote communication. Sustainability focus. Longer-lasting devices. Recyclable materials. The smartphone will continue to evolve, not just as a tool, but as an extension of our digital selves. So, what is a smartphone? It's not just a phone. It's a mobile computer, a communication hub, a camera, and an entertainment system, all packed into your pocket. It connects you to the world, shapes how you live, and continues to push the boundaries of what technology can do. Got a question or topic you'd like unraveled next? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. As we continue to explore the world of technology and innovation, one concept at a time.